Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I'm back on an easy headband style on myself. The only thing you need, apart of combing your hair, is little hair ties, and I start with a middle parting and then I go over to my right ear, try to make the part line more or less neat. Then I put this hair away. I'm just using a hair tie. It looks a bit stupid at the beginning, but it will look better when we are done. So I do the same thing on the right hand side or my left side. I'm clipping this away. I don't care how I look like here. So you have something to laugh. The rest of the hair I just tie in a deep ponytail with my scrunchie so that I won't see the mark later from the hair tie. Now I'm prepping my hair because I have many baby hairs. Those who are following me know that. So I'm using some hair wax and some gel. And I start with a middle parting and then I do parallel lines. So this is more or less 2 fingers wide, but just right in the middle. I comb it first into the front because it was easier to part like this. And then I pull it back right to the hairline. I'm using spray gel and smoothing it out. And as I'm wearing a white top, I'm using white hair ties. Then I have the first ponytail done. I'm doing a second one right next to it, more or less the same width. I'm combing this back using another hair tie, hold it close to the scalp. And now that I like the 2 first ones and the thickness of them, I take a topsy tail tool and I make a flip over. So I bring the topsy tail through and I flip it under the little ponytail. So bring it through, pull it with the topsy tail tool down, and then tighten everything. So the first 2 are done. I'm just doing the same thing now until I reach my ear. Try to make the strands the same thickness, the same width, so it's always about 1.5 2 fingers wide. And you see I have different amount of hair, but the important thing here is that the sections are the same width so that it looks nice and neat. Do always the same. Make first the little ponytail and then tighten and flip it over. And I'm flipping it from the front under to the back. Here now the strand is inside of the ponytail, but we are going to lose it up later, so there's no problem. And again, little ponytail now on the left hand side and flipping it over. At the end I have the one in the middle and I think 4 on each side. So this is the second one next to the middle. It depends on how big your head is, how thick you want to make the partings. And I liked it to have some of these little ponytails just to have more of the white elastics because it really looks like a headband. You don't need any experience of braiding. You don't need much talent to do this, and it's a hairstyle that holds in the whole day perfectly. You have your hair loose, but it's not annoying and it's not falling into your face. You can even use it for swimming, or you make a ponytail and use it for sports. I really liked it. I used finally also some hair wax, my stick for the front, as I don't like my baby hairs, and this is the final result. I hope you like it. Hope you subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up. See you back soon. Bye bye, thanks for watching.